Why, hello there, and welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, July the 7th. My name is Kat. I've got your astrological spiritual forecast and guidance going from today through Saturday, July the 13th, and this week's video is entitled Fairytale Endings. The reason for that is Venus moves into Leo on Thursday, and it is a great vibing week for the relationship. We start the week off today, tomorrow, and Tuesday with this great group energy. If we have some ideas that we want to share, we want to get others' ownership in. If we've got some brainstorming to do, we want to get some vision boards going. This is a great time to work with others and to come up with a strategy, a solution, an answer better than we could have ever done it on our own by bringing in everyone's unique perspective and experiences and skills. So it's a great start of the week, networking, socializing, relating with the other. Awesome stuff. On Wednesday, we have a Sun in Cancer connection trining Saturn in Pisces. This is all about our emotions. This is all about feelings. It's all about getting in touch with our spirituality. This is about our relationship with ourselves. So, on Wednesday, the focus becomes, instead of the other, just for a minute, we come back to ourselves. Are we doing what we need to do to care for self? Are we making sure we get our time outs so that our battery doesn't wipe out completely, and then we find out that we're sick and the universe takes over and forces us to take a time out? Are we making sure that we're eating healthily? Are we getting our exercise and sleep in? And of course, are we getting our meditation in? This is all really important, just to kind of think about it and regroup on Wednesday to make sure we're taking care of self. Because you know what happens on Thursday? Venus goes into Leo. So now it becomes about the other again. And wow, it is a great, probably the best date night ever. I love it when it's Saturday night. But this week, it's Thursday night, and the vibes are so romantic and feeling, and we can express ourselves. And the other gets it, and they love it, and they love us. It's awesome sauce, everyone, this love stuff. Awesome sauce. We have Venus in Cancer is trining Neptune in Pisces as well on Thursday. Again, so really in touch with our feelings. We are in touch with what we need in a relationship. We've got the Venus in Leo. We also have Sun in Cancer. So this relationship that comes into our lives on Thursday or right around that time is going to have that Cancerian energy to it. It's going to be nurturing, inclusive, caring for each other, checking to see what each other needs and how we can best be of service. That's how this energy, this romantic energy, kind of works out on Thursday. So this person that comes into our life, we just feel like we're at home, we're safe, we can express our feelings without being rejected or criticized. This person that we meet on Thursday when we're with them, it's going to make us feel like we're at home. We're at home. So look for that feeling on Thursday if we have someone new coming into our lives, because this person is really important and helping us continue to learn and grow and evolve. This person has some input that will help us along. So be aware of that on Thursday. And then on Friday, we have, I have a little note. Venus in Leo, now she's opposing Pluto in Aquarius. It's really our only contentious major major aspect this week. Everything else is either a sextile. The sextiles at the beginning of the week where we're growing and we're networking, so we're creating something that's even greater than each one of us, whatever it is. And then we come to Friday, and it's like somebody pulled the plug. And we might be into like continuing to push our product, push our strategy, push whatever it is, and I'm calling that poking the bear. Don't poke the bear on Friday, okay? You can feel it out, but you know, everyone was working so nicely together at the beginning of the week, not so much at the end of the week, but we don't have to like take our toys and go home. We need to feel and be sensitive to what the environment is like. And then if we're finding that our ideas aren't being received very well, people are a little cranky, that's a good indication to take our toys, put them on the back burner until another day. Don't keep trying to poke the bear. Oh, come on, you need it. I know you're going to like it. You liked it the other day. You know, you're just going to piss people off. So don't do that. Put it on the back burner and wait until the energy is a little bit more aligned for us. And then we get on Saturday, we do have the moon in Libra. So the moon has been helping us all week long as well. She's been in Cancer, she's been in Leo, and she ends up the week in Libra. Again, balance, relationship, coming together, a whole out of the parts, and adjusting. I don't see a lot of adjusting. I don't see a lot of contentious connections with our relationships this week. We just need to be sensitive, especially on Friday, that we don't like keep pushing, just don't keep trying to push our agenda, and be sensitive, and we'll be okay. Then on Saturday, we do have that moon in Libra, so it is all about the relationship and bringing the balance. There aren't any, like the whole week, there aren't any really contentious aspects going on, but it's a good day to go with the flow on Saturday. Don't try to push our personal agenda. Make sure that we are considering the good of the whole. What would the group like to do? I want to go have pizza. Everyone else wants to go to Skyline Chili. Which is it gonna be? Work together, you know, and wherever we go, we're gonna have a good time, as long as we don't get into our own shit and insist on our own way and doing it our way. So whether that's in a relationship or in a group, friends and family, be sensitive of that on Saturday, and we will have a wonderful time. With the moon in Libra, we're looking at the finer things to enjoy ourselves with. We might want to go to the Metropolitan Museum. We might want to go somewhere and have some fine dining. You know, it's kind of one of those nights where we just really appreciate some beautiful music, you know, things like that. Taurus, which is kind of the same energy, that's more like home cooking. That's more like, give me that mashed potatoes, gravy, you know, that stuff. But Libra's a little bit more refined. So if we are going on that first date, we're not taking them to McDonald's. Don't do it. It won't go well. We're, our new partner's going to expect something a little nicer with that moon in Libra. So just be ready for that and make sure that we plan accordingly so that we have a very successful date and not one that falls apart around our feet because we took them to McDonald's. Well, you know, I had a coupon. No! So that is our week ahead. Oh my gosh, lots of good vibes. The continuing of last week. I mean, we were batted around for the last weeks before that. So this is a very, very well-timed rest. Enjoy the summer vibes. Enjoy our friends and family. And especially with Venus going into Leo, look for that romantic connection at the end of the week. Venus in Leo. Leo is all about appreciation. Leo in its finest form, this energy is the center of the stage. It's all about moi. So you see that energy in everyone. Everyone likes to be appreciated. Everyone likes to be acknowledged. We find that important to help us to continue to learn and grow, to feel that little support. So remember that with Venus in Leo, that we take extra time, are more conscious of acknowledging and appreciating the other. Because what happens if we don't, or the other isn't feeling like they are worthy or appreciated, they will act out for us, usually in a negative way, to get our attention. So be aware of that with the Venus in Leo and use it to enhance our relationships instead of compromising them. Okay? So let's get started like we always do by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Then we will say our Sun in Cancer affirmation. Let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Let's take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. It's all leaving our bodies. It's just flowing away to wherever it came from. And in its place, we're being filled with this beautiful light made up of white light, love, goodwill. Not only does it fill our entire bodies, all of them, it also is protecting us, deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we will say our Sun in Cancer affirmation. I hold the entire universe within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. We'll say the affirmation. We'll stay in this space, connected with our higher selves for just 5 seconds. Let's do it. Let's say the affirmation. I hold the entire universe within me. And from that space, I grow and glow. Awesome, awesome. Man, that is an intense affirmation. Because if we get that, if we actually get that we hold the entire universe within us, the whole game plan changes, the whole perspective changes, the whole attitude changes. And that's what we're trying to get to on the Soul Sister channel, to get us to believe it and do it so we can consciously create the lives we want. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages, as well as my quirky, funny, inspirational, thought-provoking memes. And remember, take with you this week the keynote of the Soul Sister channel, because that is the magic key to all of life. Life is lived from the inside out. Have a wonderful week. Love is in the air. Have a wonderful time. Remember to respect and honor the other, and we'll have an awesome week. Namaste.